Hi, it's Jonathan. Welcome to Buildawebs. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a theme. A theme's basically a collection of files that dictate the appearance of a website, whether that be the layout of the site, the colours, the typography, and all sorts of other features. In WordPress there's around 9,000 free themes and also many other paid themes. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install themes in two different ways. The first way is by doing it directly in WordPress. The other way is by downloading it from, say, a site like wordpress.org and then uploading into WordPress. So let's cover the first way. So the first way, if you go to Appearance and then Themes, you'll see that the current active theme is here. So let's click here and you'll see it in action there. It doesn't look particularly good, but I'll show you how you can improve that later. So let's add a new one. See if you click Add New. And you've got Popular, you've got Latest, you've got Favorites, and you've got Feature Filter. You can search, for example, Blog, and it'll show you all the ones that are blog themes. You can also search up here, so I'm going to search for Kadence. And then hover over it, click Install, and then click Activate. And then let's visit the site. So I'll just open that new tab. And there it looks. So that's just the bare bones, but once you start putting content in, they look great. So let's go back to WordPress. So if, for example, we wanted to change back to the 2021, just hover over it, click Activate, and then you'll see it goes back to how it was. Let's go back. And if you want to delete the theme or delete many other themes, just click there and then choose Delete and then OK. And you'll see that it disappears from the list. Right, let's cover the second option now. So you can do, on the second option, you can go to wordpress.org, or you could go to another website where you can download themes and then go to themes. So I'm going to put a link in the description that you can then click on and go to this page. And let's search for Kadence. There it is, hover over it, click download, and it'll go to your downloads folder. Once downloaded, you can go into WordPress, click on Add New, and then choose Upload Theme, and then choose the file. So there it is in the downloads. Choose Open, and then click Install Now. And within a few seconds, it'll have installed on the site. There we go. So then let's choose Activate. And let's install Kadence Starter Templates. Choose Gutenberg. And let's choose this one here. Choose Full Site. Skip. And then it just starts installing. This will take around 30 seconds roughly to import the site and all the demo content. So at the moment it's importing the content, different posts and images and things like that. But once it's done that, the site becomes available like it's done now. So let's click Finished, View Your Site. And now you can see, got a very slick looking website in very little time at all, which if you wanted to, you could edit, change things around like photos, the different text, add different features in. Just have a look at the different pages. There you go, you can see got a very nice looking site. So if we were to compare what the site looked like before. So if we got the home page and then we go to how it was like when we downloaded the theme just on its own without content, you can see the absolute difference between them. It's quite easy to see, isn't it? Once you've got content, you've got nice images, it looks remarkably better. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And hit the bell notification so you can be notified of my future videos. Thanks very much for watching the video.